Hi and welcome back to my channel. This video is about the new resorts and renovations happening in Jamaica. The first one is the Riu Palace Aquarelle. This is slated to open the first week of May. The resort has 753 rooms and suites, and there are different room categories. This is a family resort and it is in Falmouth. There are swim out suites on the ground and the second floor. There are a ton of restaurants. There's 4 swimming pools as well as a children's swimming pool with water slides. There's a water park. There's a gym and steam bath. And then there's also the sports bar that is on site. So Falmouth is in the Trelawney area of Jamaica with no traffic. It is about 38 minutes from the Montego Bay Airport. And you'll see that this resort itself is in between the Excellence and Royalton resorts, if you're familiar with where those are. So it is a little bit of a drive from the airport, but it's not too far compared to some other destinations in Jamaica. Next up are the Princess Resorts. First one is Princess Grand Jamaica. This is the family side of the resort. The Princess Resorts are in an area between Montego Bay and Negril, closer to Negril. They are about 20 to 30 minutes from a 20 to 30 minute drive from Negril. So just keep that in mind. But it is in, I guess, closer to the Lucy area of Jamaica, and it is about a little over an hour drive from the Montego Bay Airport. And this resort is slated to open this summer, and it is the family resort of Princess. This is the first Princess resort in Jamaica. There are 590 ocean view suites. They also have platinum suites with upgraded amenities and butler services, and then they also have larger family and master suites. There are also swim up rooms on the family side, and there's also a kids club, 3 pools, and a water park. There are also 9 restaurants and 8 bars. And on the adults only side, we have Princess Senses The Mangrove. On this side of the resort, there are 401 ocean view suites as well as 14 overwater villas. There's also Platinum Club suites with exclusive private areas and butler service, as well as pleasure suites that provide an intimate and sensual ambiance for those seeking intimacy and charm. When staying at the Mangrove, you also do have access to the Princess Grand Jamaica, the family side. And on this side, the Mangrove, there are 14 restaurants, including a steakhouse, Mexican, Italian, Jamaican, and Asian cuisine, buffets, and there's also a food truck as well as 15 bars. While staying here, you also do have access to the water park on the family side, and then there's also a fitness and wellness center, a lively nightclub, a full entertainment program, and of course a ton of swimming pools. Now, this resort, the adults only Mangrove side, is also slated to open at some point in the summer, so do check and do your research before booking. Next up, we have renovations. So this is the Sandals Negril, and they've renovated and have a new room category. The 1-bedroom sky pool butler suite with rooftop terrace, and just looking at it, you can see how beautiful it looks. Again, these are all artist renderings. And then you have the Sandals South Coast, and they've renovated their French village to Long Beach building, and these are the pictures from the Long Beach rooms. Then you have Beaches Negril, and they have a new beachfront villa and penthouse, and they have the Fire Sky Reserve Villa and the Event Tide Penthouse, and these rooms can hold like up to 10 people. They're meant for, you know, families, large families traveling, or groups of friends with children traveling, because Beaches is a family resort. So these villas include multiple bedrooms and multiple bathrooms inside the villa, of course, to accommodate everyone. So these are the updates for Jamaica. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.